Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q2 Sport 35 TFSI with the S-Tronic gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning brilliant black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 1.5 litre petrol engine you get 147 brake horsepower with 250 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 8.2 seconds onto a top speed of 131 miles per hour. On the front we have the halogen headlights giving you optimal visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 17-inch 5-arm star design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a nice contrast to that black paintwork. With the electrically operated tailgate open you get 405 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage, and with the rear seats folded you get 1050 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. In the interior we're greeted with the two-tone cloth interior for maximum comfort, as well as the dual Isofix points on both outer seats, so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel with the central control screen as well as the manual air conditioning, and both front seats are sport seats with these little bits of grey leather there for a bit of contrast. They are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The multifunction controls gives you control over the central screen on the dashboard, letting you choose what you want to have in front of you, and on the right is your volume and voice controls. Underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for its precious motorway miles per gallon. The central screen can be controlled using the toggle and switches on the centre console, giving you access to navigation or Bluetooth connectivity, as well as DAB and FM radio stations. Under here we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And of course the manual air conditioning, giving you maximum control over the direction, speed and temperature of the air. If you'd like to look at this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.